Hi, welcome to our channel. Do you know that polar bear skin is black? Do you know, according to estimates, there are 1.4 billion insects per human? The world's longest living animal belongs to the Madagascar tortoise, who died at the age of 188 in 1965. Do you know cockroaches can live for weeks, even after their heads are removed? I was very surprised about this fact. Do you know the deadliest animals in the world are not bears or lions, but mosquitoes? According to the World Health Organization, 725,000 people die every year from diseases transmitted by mosquitoes. Do you know the hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards? Do you know the shortest living animal in the world is the flies, which lives only 24 hours? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more facts.